Ayan, pineapple. Ayan. There you go. Ayan. Ito, graduation celebration ni Django. So, ito ang mga food. Ayan. Ito. Isahin na. Anong ano to?
Latik.
Latik. Kanin. Oh, okay. Tapos ito. Ito yung plate ko. Habala yan. Doon ang plate ko.
Lasagna, pizza.
Tapos ito pansit.
Oh, and then natin ang ano, aming mangga.
Ayan. Ayan. I'm taking picture, Django.
Good. Yeah, delicious.
Congratulations, Django.
Thank you.
This is the celebrant.
Thank you. I'm so happy. No more high school.
Yeah. Next time, college graduation. There you go. This is lechon kawali. And this is fried chicken. This one, what's this? What's this? I don't know. And that is...
Direta?
Oh, caldereta. This is caldereta. And this one, pinakbut. This one, Shanghai. That one, what's that? I don't know.
Yummy, that's what it is.
And this one, I don't know. Yeah, you just. Okay.
Spaghetti.
I'll. Ang daming, ano yan? Shrimps. Ayaw nga pala, may rice. What's this? Ayan. Siya. And we have, oh, there you go, fried chicken.
What's this in there too?
And this one.